Bob, I can now see down in through the shadow. I can see Bear Mountain. I can see. I can't really make out the slide yet. Most of the